Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a quick, effective workout that you can do right at home with zero equipment, you've come to the right place. Today, I am going to guide you through a fantastic 10-minute routine that is perfect for beginners or anyone who is short on time. It's all about getting your body moving, feeling energized, and building strength without ever leaving your living room. So, clear a little space, grab some water, and let's get ready to sweat together. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic warm-up, jumping jacks. This is the perfect way to wake up your body and get that heart rate climbing. Keep your core engaged and your movements light and springy. Think about reaching your arms all the way up and getting those feet nice and wide. Let's do this for 45 seconds. Feel that energy. This simple move boosts circulation and prepares your muscles for what's coming next. Keep breathing. You're doing great. Let's go for 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome start. Next up, we're targeting those legs and glutes with some good old-fashioned squats. Stand with your feet about shoulder widths apart, keep your chest lifted, and imagine you're sitting back into a chair. Lower down as far as you feel comfortable, making sure your knees track over your toes, and then power back up. You should really feel this in your quads and glutes. Control the movement on the way down and squeeze at the top. Let's keep this going. This is one of the best exercises for building lower body strength. Almost there, just a few more reps. Now, let's work on that upper body with push-ups. You can do these on your toes for a classic challenge, or if you're just starting, dropping to your knees is a fantastic option. The key is to keep your back flat and your core tight. Lower your chest toward the floor and then push back up with power. This move is incredible for building strength in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Don't worry about speed, focus on your form. Each rep makes you stronger. Come on, you've got this. Let's get a couple more in. Time to fire up that core with a plank. Get into a push-up position, either on your hands or forearms, and hold it. Your body should form one straight, solid line from your head to your heels. Don't let your hips sag or rise too high. Just breathe and hold. I know it burns, but this is where the magic happens. A strong core supports your entire body. Stay with me. We're building stability and endurance right now. Just a little bit longer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing work. Last exercise. Let's finish strong with mountain climbers. Stay in that plank position and start driving your knees toward your chest, one at a time, like you're running in place. This is a killer combo of cardio and core work. Pick up the pace if you can, but keep that form tight. This is your final push. You are so close to the end. Keep breathing, keep moving. Let's go. Let's go. 10 more seconds. You can do anything for 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Incredible job. You just completed one full round. To get the full 10-minute workout, just rewind and repeat this circuit one more time. Now, let's cool down together. Take a big, deep breath in, and as you exhale, reach for your toes to stretch your hamstrings. Now, gently stretch your arms and shoulders. You absolutely crushed it today. Remember, consistency is the key to progress. Every little bit of effort adds up. If you enjoyed this workout and want to see more, please give this video a big thumbs up. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new routine. Let me know in the comments which exercise was your favorite. Thank you so much for working out with me today, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.